Listen up, I got a story to tell. Find a website that's a straight up spell. Suno AI is the name you gotta know. When it comes to music, Jim, they steal the show. They got beats and rhymes, everything you need. Suno AI, the best in the game. From hip hop to rock, they bring the fame. Cause the algorithms, they never fail. Suno AI, they're the holy grail. So come on everyone, let's press play. Suno AI, it's the only way.
Before we start the tutorial, let me show the latest updates and the voice of founder of Suno, Mikey Shulman, what he said about the app. It will also help you a lot to understand the importance of this amazing app. Why it matters: the race to build consumer AI audio products and platforms is accelerating. Microsoft announced Tuesday that it has integrated Suno into its AI software platform Copilot. Facebook and Google have released AI tools that can generate songs and sounds. Unlike many AI music apps, are focused on creating original tunes with original vocals, not on cloning or mimicking popular artists' voices or songs. While it may be very cool and very interesting for people to make new songs in a specific artist's style, Suno doesn't think that experience will prove enjoyable for consumers in the long term, CEO and co-founder Mikey Shulman tells Axios in an exclusive interview. Suno's social sharing features will make it easier for a new kind of digital influencer to emerge, disrupting the music industry the way TikTok comedians have disrupted stand-up comedy shows and films and talent pools.
So, I think of us as building the tools that people need to be creative or unleash their creativity in what is kind of the most human modality, which is audio. Audio is like a really special, I think, the modality that really makes us feel the most. And it's also the one that has just historically been lacking, or certainly lagging behind images and text for a really long time. And there's nothing fundamental that says that can't be fixed. And so, in particular, we focus on music. Audio is a little bit bigger than just music, but music is something that is so personal, that is so emotional, that really makes people feel, that everybody has like really innate tastes in, and almost nobody has the means to make good music. You have to be like a really skilled musician. You have to know really complicated software. And it's too bad. And so I think of us as providing the gateway for people to be able to unleash kind of their inner selves in the music domain. We've done some other stuff in audio also, but that's the driving force behind the whole company.
Well, hello, good people. This is Suno AI, probably the best music AI platform out there currently. Not only can you produce music, but it also produces the lyrics for you. Now, this is the website version, which is still fairly new, so it is a bit limited, which we'll get into later. But there's also a Discord server where you can actually input your own lyrics. Let me show you a few demos here. If you look at the top, this was my prompt, a motivational hip-hop rap about going after your dreams. Now, the first one didn't produce any lyrics, but I want you to hear the music. So the music quality is actually pretty good. Now, the second song did have some voices, so let's take a listen.
Got dreams, yeah, they pushing me forward. Ain't no stopping, I'm climbing higher and higher. I know the struggle, grinding every day, but I won't quit, now I won't tire. I'm gonna make it, I know it in my soul. I'm going up on, ain't nobody taking control. Gonna rise up, gonna stand tall. I'm a warrior, breaking down.
It's kind of cheesy, I know, but anyway, chorus.
I'm living my dream, ain't no doubt about it. Taking my shot, ain't no way around it. And I seize the moment, ain't no time to waste. I'm reaching for the stars, nothing gonna hold me back.
Kind of Backstreet Boy-ish almost, but yeah, really, really fascinating stuff. So far, hands down, this is the best music AI platform I've come across, to be honest. Let's listen to one more blues style one. This is about working a 9 to 5 job like many of us. I'll just let you hear a little bit of it.
Woke up this morning, just like every day.
Pretty true to the blues genre, wouldn't you think?
Got them 9 to 5 working long. They won't go.
So that's just a little bit of it. You know what? I'm actually going to download some of these and I'll include a link in the description below. And you can go ahead and listen to them on your own time, but they're pretty decent. Now, the way this works is actually super simple. You just go into the prompt area here and let's do one live here. Let's do a heavy metal one. Let's put the subject something like being a content creator on YouTube can be a grind and cause burnout, which is super common with content creators. And then all you have to do here is click create. Now, while this generates, if I move myself here, you can see how many credits you have. Now, they do have monthly and annual billing, but the free plan is actually pretty reasonable. You get 50 credits per day, which is 5 chirps. So to make one song, it's 10 credits. When you first sign up, though, you get 150. But under the free account, it's for non-commercial use. No credit top-ups. You have to share generation queues, and you can only do 3 at a time. Now, whether you're doing monthly or annual billing, the pro plan is actually pretty reasonable. 2,500 credits, which is 250 chirps, and you get general commercial terms and everything else. Under My Clips over here is your library of songs where you can download them, like them, replay them. And each time you generate a song, you get 2 examples. The only downside right now, you're limited to, I believe, 1 to 2 minute clips. So let's take a listen to the heavy metal tune about content creation.
Living my dungeon. So the dog. Yeah. Upload videos and my just carries on. Cause creating content. Never get enough sleep. No sleep, I'll melt my soul. It'll make the masses wait. It's a drive, I'm real. Gotta keep on playing out like a bee. My sense of the past, it keeps me alive.
Music quality is pretty good, and I find even some of the vocal voices are very believable. Sometimes it's kind of cheesy, the kind of lyrics it makes up, but pretty impressive stuff. Let's take a listen to the second one.
Create content never did it's not straight. Oh man, let's go get a make let's speak that's a lie. Gotta keep on that thing.
Yeah, so pretty cool stuff. Pretty cool stuff. Now, as I said before, there's a Discord version where you can actually enter your lyrics. So let's switch over to that. And to get to the Discord, you just have to click on there and you'll get an invitation. All you have to do is accept it. Then once you're on the server, I encourage you to go to the server guide at the top left here. Just read the getting started sections here. And then you'll be provided some resources on how to use Suno. Now, it's pretty simple to do on the Discord. You can either pick any of the beta channels here, type in your prompt in the comment section here. But if you want to do it privately, which most of you would probably want to do, click on the member list here and look for the Suno chirp bot. Just right click and message the bot. Just type in hello or whatever, or even just enter, and then you'll be able to generate privately. So all you have to do is hit slash and type in chirp or select it from the menu. And once you hit enter, you'll get a prompt box here that allows you to put your lyrics. So first you want to put the type of song. So I'm going to put rock. And then you can just put your lyrics here. Now, if you don't have lyrics, you could just type in what it's about here. And then it utilizes ChatGPT to create the lyrics. However, if you have lyrics, you could paste them in here. And it does recognize like verse, chorus, bridge, those types of things if you're musically inclined. And all you have to do is put them in brackets. So I have verse here, and I have some lyrics, and then verse 2, more lyrics, and a chorus. Now it says 4 to 8 lines work best. I've done like 12 or 16. I'm going to submit this just to see what it can come up with. But again, you're limited to about 1 to 2 minutes. All right. So I've done a few here. Let me show you a couple. This one, I just put lyrics in. I didn't put a verse or a chorus. And it was an alternative style.
Be understood. Feel my fury. Hey, what will I lose? What will I gain? Death is life, and life is death. Take it slow with every breath. The time has come. The end.
Yeah, so pretty intense, but you'll notice that the quality on the Discord isn't as good. Let's listen to another one here.
Lord, I give to you my heart, my soul. And I don't want to live this way no more. I've got this feeling inside of me, and you're the only one that can set me free. Even though we're worlds apart, you can mend my broken heart.
Pretty decent stuff, and I like that I can enter my lyrics. Now, whether on the Discord or on the website, I wish I could feed it some music clips that I've produced, and it'll take it from there. So maybe in the next few months, that could totally happen, right? Anyway, that's Suno AI. Have fun with it.